What's Gucci? Welcome back to J2's PMA Studios. Now today, I'm in the kitchen.
In the kitchen cooking curry. Whip it. 30 on me, I ain't worried. With my Zoe, you a rat.
Some Hot Cheetos Chicken. DIY Hot Cheetos Chicken. Now, before you do anything else, you need to get your oil ready. Get the good old canola oil. Cooks it to its exquisite taste. Don't play yourself. Get the Publix Great Value van. Save your money. What am I going to choose? So you want to pour it.
A half hours later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire
12 o'clock midnight.
Eggs. Eggs are very important for the egg wash.
In the kitchen cooking curry. Whip it. 30 on me, I ain't.
Make sure they are whisked beautifully. So you get this nice texture. So next thing you want to do is beat your meat. Beat the meat until it's nice and flat.
Boy, if you don't.
After you beat your meat, you want to cut your meat. Make sure you season it with some nice old garlic powder, seasoned salt, black pepper, and oregano. Unless you're allergic to any of that, then do what you do. I was gonna tell you guys, whenever you're handling chicken, make sure you clean your meat so you don't have salmonella. Oh, why can't I say this? Salmonella. Do it so you don't have to get salmonella. Make sure you beat the meat with a meat beater. Has a smooth side and rigid side. You just beat and hit, push, pull. Boom, boom, boom. If you don't know next, you have to blend or crush the Cheetos. You can either do this with a bowl and a masher, whatever you want, but I'd rather use a blender. It gives it its best, exquisite.
Me. Help me.
We fixed it. See what I mean by the most exquisite beat? Now what you want to do is what I like to call the egg wash. What you do, you take a piece of chicken, right? Nice seasoned. You dip it in the egg. Don't be afraid of that egg. Let it, it's called an egg wash for a reason. After you have it in the egg, put it in the Hot Cheetos. Put it in there until you can't see any more chicken. Now, after you do that, take it out. And wait, now I'm gonna fast forward this so I can finish doing this starting now. Before you put your chicken in there, make sure you test the grease. So what you do is, take some water, and then you just go. Now that means it's ready. Don't run up your parents' water bill. You want to let that sit in there for about 6 to 8 minutes. So the best thing to do now is clean up. Choose the odds, get yourself. Choose the odds, get yourself.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Don't have to do a whole bunch when you're done. Just start cleaning up now so you can enjoy your food. Now, it's only been about 3 minutes, but because I cut them up in such small pieces, I believe that they are done. Hot Cheetos Chicken. It smells so good. After you make them, admire your work. Give it a couple of sniffs and just take time to look at it.
Everybody, it's Gucci Daddy's.
Gucci Dad back.
I
with
am
us.
coming to sample this world-class chicken. From the looks of it, I might need something to drink. But let's see if Jerron
You hear that crunch? Thoughts? Let me see here.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good. The Cheetos are not as hot as you would think they are, but the seasoning is good. The oregano is perfect. It's not salty. The crust is crunchy. The chicken is tender. That's very good.
Off a little bit more because I think I'm gonna burn my taste buds, but that's really good. Recommendation: try these if your parents allow you. If they don't allow you, I'm sorry for you. But if they do, try it. So good. Thank you for watching today's video. I am going to be back with another video soon. And thank you for watching. Stay Gucci and not Versace. Peace.